एलजी मनोज सिन्हा ने आईसीसीआर के जेन नेक्स्ट डेमोक्रेसी नेटवर्क प्रोग्राम के तहत हिंदुस्तान आने वाले 9 ममालिक के नौजवान लीडरों के साथ बातचीत की और इस दौरान एलजी ने जम्मू कश्मीर में तब्दीली के सफर के बारे में अपने ख्यालात शेयर किए। उन्होंने कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर यूटी तरक्की की राह पर गामजन है। एलजी ने चंद्रयान 3 मिशन की कामयाबी का भी तज़किरा किया और इस मौके पर एलजी ने गैर मुल्की वफ्द के मेंबरों के सवालात के जवाब भी दिए।
That for almost 3 decades this land of peaceful coexistence of almost all religious sects had to suffer state-sponsored terrorism by our neighboring country. However, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, through development schemes that empowers masses and union territories effective administration, isolated the terror ecosystem which used to thrive with the support from across the border. In the last 4 years, we have traveled a long distance to reach where we have reached today. Our economy is growing, tourist influx has increased manifold, industrial investments including foreign direct investments are pouring in. Wide transformation is taking place at the level of rural enterprises. Cities are transforming with smarter solutions for ease of living and districts are becoming a production base, export hub for handloom, handicrafts and agricultural products. I consider investment in information technology as an investment in the future and in our efforts to create a truly digital society and improvement in the quality of life of the people. As our Chief Secretary said, more than 900 public services are being provided online. From new highways, rural roads to Industry 4.0 technology, we are witnessing the beginning of a qualitative change and tremendous growth in every sector.
खबरों का सिलसिला आगे भी जारी रहेगा, लेकिन उससे पहले एक छोटा सा ब्रेक।